Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and in today's video you're going to see how to create these glittery blue eyes. So if you want to know more about this look and what products I have used in this video, please keep on watching this video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get into this video.
Hey, what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself?
So first I'm going to start with primer, and I'm using this Prep Me Up primer from Nykaa. So foundation, I'm going to use this foundation stick from MyGlam, and the shade is a bit lighter than my skin tone. That's why I'm going to mix this sugar serum foundation, which is a bit darker than my skin tone. And for blending purpose, I'm going to spray makeup fixer on my skin, and I'm going to blend this foundation really well. And as you can see, this mixing of these two shades have got my perfect skin tone match foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to use this concealer from Sugar, and in this my shade is 45. For blush, I'm going to use this liquid blush from Earth Rhythm, and the shade will be mentioned in the description box, so do check that out.
You're pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home, but tell the truth, you spend the night.
To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this compact powder from Sugar, and in this my shade is 45. Now let's get started with the eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this dual eyeshadow from Sugar, and I'm using this brown shade first, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Now I'm using this Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette from MyGlamm, and I'm taking this blue shade and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids, and after applying I'm going to blend with brush for preventing any harsh line. From this blowout palette, I'm going to select this blue shimmer shade, and I'm going to use this all over my eyelids, but I'm going to apply this shade with help of my fingers so I get a proper and good pigmentation of this eyeshadow. From this Swiss Beauty glitter palette, I'm going to select this dark blue glitter, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids.
I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out to the morning light? Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. Some Chardonnay, we can't.
From the previous blowout palette, I'm selecting this lighter shade, and I'm going to apply it in my inner corners, and also I'm going to use that same shade for highlighting my face. Over here I have did a little mistake that I have over highlighted my face, but I'm going to fix this with help of this sponge by just gently dabbing it on that area. Alright, for lipstick I'm going to use this lip combo, and first I'm using this lipstick from Sugar, and the shade is Caffeine Bandit. I'm using this as a lip liner, and I'm lining my lips with help of this lipstick. Now I'm using this lip liner from inside, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips, and this is how I got a perfect nude lip combo with these two lipsticks. I'm going to complete this look with applying lashes, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time in another video. Till then, bye bye.